What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Monday. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.017. We're down 6% on the day. Market cap 535 million. 24-hour volume 76 million. So if we hop in the charts, we have a first wave one up. Went through a WXY correction into a 2. Actually, I can throw some numbers on there. So you have a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, and then you'd be looking to push up in a 3, 4, 5. So now we have the micro, micro 5 waves up. So what you'd be looking for is to hold this pullback zone here. Let me just drop out this yellow box here. Hold this pullback zone right here in between 0.01673, 0.1594 could offer a nice long trade possibility, and then see a bounce back to the upside to push up in the wave 3. If the 78.6% breaks, it becomes more bearish and you'd be likely to put in a lower low, but I do think there's a good chance we bounce from this target zone and see continuation to the upside in the wave 3, which is here in red. I can give you a target for that from the bottom of the red wave 1 up to the top. As you can see, this is an overshooting wave B, down to the bottom of the red wave 2, and then for the wave 3 to the upside, you would target the 161.8, which would take you all the way up here to about 0.02183. And of course, a break of this high is more bullish confirmation at 0.01805. That's what I'm looking at for Gala Games. Another good signal for the bulls is we faked out to the downside from this wedge and we pushed back up, starting to get back above those 4-hour EMAs. So if we can hold that consolidation and bounce, then you can start to push up to that next resistance here at 0.02068. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. You can join my trading group completely for free. Click the Discord link at the top of the comments. Daily crypto analysis for many projects, as well as I'm trading Forex every day. These are the first 3 weeks results. We gained 37% to the account in week 1, 16% in week 2. We lost 5% in week 3. So right now we're up 48% to the account. So if you had $100,000, you made $48,000 risking 2% per trade. You can join for free, as well as make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN. Awesome place to trade crypto, especially in North America. If you're looking for somewhere to trade leverage without a KYC or VPN, 10% back on every single trade on your fees. When you sign up through my link, all links down below, smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.